Earphone Free Pro. Earphone isn't the most well-known brand in the audio world. However, with products like Free Pro, they deserve much better recognition. These true wireless earbuds are yet another attempt at bringing active noise cancelling technology into the budget territory. While the ANC performance leaves much to be desired, the audio exceeded our expectations. You don't find many wireless earbuds under $60 that sound as dynamic as these. The audio performance alone is worth the money, plus you get all the other features. And you get a lot of them. Qi wireless charging, touch controls, and the latest Bluetooth 5.2 are some of them. Check the review down below to see why the Earphone Free Pro earbuds are worth every penny. Pro. Excellent sound quality for the price. Natural, dynamic audio performance. Punchy bass with good extension. Great comfort and stability. Stable connection with Bluetooth 5.2. Long battery life. Many useful extra features. Decent active noise cancelling effectiveness. Cons. But not the best ambient mode. No mobile app or built-in EQ presets. Flimsy charging case. Our review. Comfort and fit 4.5. Noise isolation 4.0. Noise cancelling 2.5. Bluetooth 4.0. Battery 4.5. Durability 3.5. Features 4.0. Sound 4.5. What's in the box? Earphone Free Pro accessories. Earphone Free Pro True Wireless Earbuds. Charging case. USB-C charging cable. 4 pairs of silicone ear tips. 3 pairs of silicone rubber sleeves, 2 with ear fins. User manual. Comfort and fit. Star rating 4.5, almost perfect. While you feel them in your ears, the experience is still comfortable due to lightweight construction and small design. The addition of ear fins also adds to overall excellent stability. For ANC true wireless earbuds with 7 hours of battery life, Earphone Free Pro are exceptionally small and lightweight. Their housing doesn't cause any discomfort, even after an hour of use. Tips have slightly longer sides, that provide more contact with an ear canal. That ensures better isolation from the outside world, but it can also cause pressure. Thankfully, it isn't that bad, and you barely notice it. However, you will know you're wearing something in your ears. Ear hooks, fins, provide extra stability if you plan to use them during sports activities. You get 2 different sized fins in the box, while a third option is simply a rubber sleeve. We found them to perform reliably, even for outdoor use, and you'll rarely have to readjust them. Noise isolation. Star rating 4.0 great. The design of ear tips ensures great passive isolation, which is handy for frequent commuters or workers in a noisy environment. As mentioned above, ear tips have slightly longer sides that go straight down instead of creating a mushroom. Because of that, the tip stays in contact with a larger surface, blocking more outside world. When you add the music, you don't hear ambient sound. The effect is sufficient for commuting or office, but it might be too strong for outdoor sports. Noise cancellation. Star rating 2.5 average. While it's nice to see active noise cancelling technology and $60 worth of pair of true wireless earbuds, it doesn't do much. The effect is minimal. Earphone uses big letters on the box to tell you the Free Pro come with active noise cancellation. However, looking at the asking price, you need to keep your expectations low. The wireless earbuds selling point isn't noise cancellation. As it turns out, the background noise cancelling is rather minimal. It's about on par with Aki EPN5, similarly priced truly wireless earbuds. See best noise cancelling earbuds for alternatives. The majority of work is done by passive isolation, and active noise cancellation only blocks a few extra percent. Earphone Free Pro earbuds also offer ambient aware mode, where they amplify surrounding noise to increase awareness. But the results are nowhere near to premium headphones. Most often, you'll have to put them out of your ears to speak to someone. Bluetooth. Star rating 4.0 great. The latest Bluetooth version 5.2 brings a robust and energy-efficient connection with low latency transmission. There's also mono mode, but sadly, you won't find extras like apps or multi-point support. The Earphone Free Pro have to be one of the first Bluetooth 5.2 enabled truly wireless earbuds on the market. Despite the fact that only a few audio devices support version 5.1, let alone 5.2. This new version brings a more stable connection, faster pairing process, and energy-saving communication. Sadly, There's no support for the new LC3 Bluetooth codec that comes with Bluetooth version 5.2. There's also no mobile app that would offer Find My Earbuds features, which can be incredibly accurate with the help of Bluetooth 5.1 or higher. Regardless, we can't complain too much when it comes to basics. You can wear the earbuds around the house with rare audio stutters. Multipoint? No, Earfun didn't include this feature in these earbuds. Therefore, you can only use them with one device at a time. What Bluetooth codec they use? You get SBC and AAC, which is quite normal. Both codecs are great for basic tasks, where Apple exclusively uses AAC as their codec of choice. Is there a video lag? Earfun offers below 100 milliseconds low latency mode, which better than average. It should be more than enough for watching videos and even playing mobile games. Of course, some gaming-oriented earbuds offer even lower latency, like Razer Hammerhead True Wireless, which can deliver a 40 milliseconds delay. Battery. Star rating 4.5 almost perfect. Earbuds have an excellent battery life with up to 7 hours per charge, 7 hours and 6 minutes in our test at 50% volume, and another 25 hours waiting inside the charging case. Also, they support Qi and fast charging via USB-C. Free Pro are smaller than what you would expect from ANC truly wireless earbuds. And yet, they still offer respectable 7 hours and 6 minutes of playtime on a single charge, at 50% volume and ANC enabled. That's better than most of the best earbuds under $50. Of course, enabling ANC does eat away around 2 hours off of that, which is still a good result. In many other earbuds, the ANC cuts the battery in half. With an additional 25 hours in the charging case, these earbuds provide at least 2 days of constant listening. There is only one LED light on the case that shows the remaining battery life. There's also a quick charge option on board. You're getting extra 2 hours of runtime in a 10-minute charge. Full charging time is 2 hours. To bring the value higher, you can also charge Earfun's case wirelessly. Charging speeds aren't incredible, but this option can be handy if you already have a charging pad at home. Features. Star rating 4.0 grade. For the price, you get more than expected. Apart from active noise cancellation and ambient mode, there are many touch commands, Qi charging, and decent microphones for taking phone calls. Usually, the price dictates how many features you'll get. However, nowadays, you can get tons of extras for just under $60. Earfun Free Pro surprises you with decent noise cancelling performance, ambient mode, Qi wireless charging, and Bluetooth 5.2. While all these features aren't the best in class, they're a welcoming addition if you ever need them. Touch controls are executed very well. There are many different commands, meaning there's a learning curve. Thankfully, you can control everything from enabling ANC ambient mode, changing tracks, and raising the volume. Practically you don't need to touch your phone once, which is excellent. Touch controls are reliable, and they always give you audio feedback before initiating a command. Sound. Star rating 4.5 almost perfect. Dynamic sound with punchy bass, natural mid-range, and crispy, clean treble. Also, for in-ear headphones, the soundstage is big, too. If anything, you should get these for their sound quality. Even though we're familiar with the sound of much more expensive earbuds, we are still amazed at how good these sound for the price. Starting with the bass, it's probably the least remarkable part of the presentation. Dual composite dynamic drivers produce a boosted, punchy low end that extends nicely into the subregion. There is a pleasant amount of rumble when the song asks for it. Bass guitars also sound quite lovely, although they do get muddy sometimes. The mid-range doesn't escape the amount of low end, which is why it's noticeably warm. However, the dynamics and detail are excellent for the price. Vocals and instruments sound relatively natural. Guitars come out loud and clear, and you can hear every pluck of a string. The great performance continues with the treble. It has good detail retrieval, with every cymbal hit being nice and audible. Tuning is on point for casual users, without any sibilance or harshness. Every genre sounds excellent, from pop to hard rock. Metal is probably the most congested sounding but far from being unlistenable. Earfun Free Pro True Wireless Earbuds. Earfun Free Pro earbuds come in a small form factor. Moving to the soundstage, it's quite big for an in-ear headphone. Sounds can fly slightly out of your head, which amplifies the listening experience. Imaging is also pretty good, but you don't get the same sense of accuracy as with the more expensive Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 2. Overall, the sound quality is excellent for the price. Sadly, You can't tweak it to bring down the bass, which can be overwhelming to some audio purists. Therefore, we would recommend them mostly to users who need some extra bass when listening to music. Also, see best bass earbuds. The mid-range is right where it should be, not too recessed or too forward, sounding very natural and detailed. This trend continues with the treble, which is exceptionally smooth and resolving at the same time. A 5 out of 5 rating in my book. The only thing to critique is imaging, which isn't very precise. The latter is most noticeable when listening to drums, where you can't pinpoint the location from which the sound is coming from. Sadly, Earfun only made 1,000 of them, and they were sold out in a matter of days. You simply cannot find the same level of resolution, balance, and dynamics in a pair of $70 true wireless earbuds anywhere else. They can easily compare to premium models like Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 2. Should you get the Earfun Free Pro? These truly wireless earbuds are worth it for their great sound quality alone. All the other features are just a cherry on a cake. You get excellent value for your money. Of course, it would be nice to change the EQ to lower down the low end. But if you don't mind the punch, these earbuds should change the way you enjoy music. The battery life is also great, providing you at least 2 days of constant use. With the addition of fast and Qi wireless charging, what more could you ask for? Other things like active noise cancelling, ambient sound, and low latency mode are a welcome addition, even though their performance isn't going to blow you away. Overall, these are an excellent buy. They sell for around $60, but you can get Earfun Free Pros for under $50 on Amazon. At this price, you can't find anything.